equipment are Dawn Agro machinery play a significant role in enhancing efficiency, productivity, and sustainability in small-scale farming operations. These machines are designed specifically to cater to the needs of small farmers who may not have the resources to invest in large industrial scale equipment. Here are some of the small agriculture machinery you, me, and everybody around us who are doing a agriculture business or who are involved in agriculture machinery are doing. First of all is harvesting and threshing. When we do a stream few days earlier, I have told you that Dawn Agro is also manufacturing multiple crop thresher as well, corn thresher as well, maize thresher as well at the same time. But harvesting and threshing, small scale combined harvester and threshing machines help in speeding up the harvesting and threshing processes, making them less labor intensive. This allows farmers to save time and energy while increasing productivity at the same time. Small scale irrigating equipment like drip irrigation systems, sprinkles and pump helps in efficient water management, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. Now, if we talk about the livestock management, because we are seeing many kinds of chaff cutters here, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we start talking about chaff cutters? Our livestock management, small scale feed mixture, watering system, and animal housing structures help in managing livestock more efficiently, ensuring better health and productivity of the animals. Now, post-harvester healing, our portable combined rice mill machine is a versatile and compact device designed for milling and processing rice. This type of combined rice, various functions such as cleaning, dehusking, polishing, and grinding into a small, easy-to-use system. It is ideal for small-scale rice production farmers and entrepreneurs who requires a portable and efficient solution for the rice processing at the same time. Now the question is that which kind of rice milling machine you want to buy or you are interested in, isn't it? The machines offer several benefits such as portability. All the machines made by Adan Agro company are portable. They can be carried from one place to another place. If we talk about the portability, as the name suggests, the portable combined rice mill machine is easy to transport and set up, making it suitable for various locations and applications as well. They are also cost effective. The machine is designed to consume less power compared to traditional rice milling methods, resulting in cost savings on energy bills as well. Time savings, how these equipments are time savings as well. Not only combined rice mill machines, but all the machines are all the agriculture machines made by Dawn Agro company, how they are actually time savings. Now, the question is that, just wait a second, let me fix my camera so you had a better angle about agriculture machines, ladies and gentlemen. Now, there are various types and methods of portable machines, rice mill machines available in the market with different features and capacities as well. But when it's come to the combined rice mill machine, this machine, first of all, is portable. As the name suggests, the portable combined rice mill machine is easy to transport and set up, making it suitable for various locations and applications as well. Cost effective, it is an affordable option for small scale rice milling operation, reducing the overall investment required for rice processing. Energy efficiency. The machine is designed to consume less power compared to traditional rice milling method, resulting in cost savings on energy bills as well. How they are actually time savings. The combined rice mill machine streamlines the entire rice milling process, saving time and effort for users. Improved quality. The machines ensure that the rice is properly cleaned, dehusked, semi-polished and graded, resulting in higher quality rice productivity or production as well. Now, how they can improve quality? Machine ensure the rice is properly cleaned, semi-polished and graded, resulting in higher quality rice product. Now when selecting a portable combined rice mill, consider factors such as capacity, power, consumption, durability and ease of maintenance to ensure you choose the best option for your specific needs as well. Ladies and gentlemen, portable chaff cutters made by Adan Agro Company. Yesterday we had done a good stream on that, but also known as chaff cutter machines are designed to separate and cut chaff from grains like wheat, rice and other cereal crops. These machines are particularly useful for farmers and agriculture workers as they help in improving the efficiency of threshing process as well. Now, there are various types and model of portable chaff cutters available in the market with different features and capacities as well. Now, first of all, it's all about size and portability, right? Choose a machine that is compact and easy to transport, especially if you need to move it between field or store it when it not in use. So if we talk about the portability, this shaft cutter is very less in weight and can be carried from one place to another place. Even capacity is not too much as compared to the other shaft cutter, but if we talk about its portability, it can be carried from one place to another. Why? Because in all the model actually they had provided a universal wheel. With the help of these universal wheel, you can carry these machines from one place to another place. That's the reason about portability. And the other good thing, there are only two big reasons which I personally like about Dan Agro Company. First of all is portability, and other one is that like all the model they are manufacturing, they can work on electric motor at the same time with gasoline engine, and some model even on diesel engine as well. This is what I personally like. If we talk about a size and portability, choose a machine that is compact and easy to transport, especially if you need to move it between field or store it when not in use. So, other thing is that capacity. Determine the amount of grains. Determine the amounts of grains you need to process daily and select a shaft cutter with a capacity that meets your requirement as well. Now, if we talk about the durability, invest in a machine made from sturdy material that can witness the wear and tear of regular use in agriculture settings. If we talk about their maintenance and ease of use, shaft cutter that is easy to operate, clean and maintain, as this will save you time and effort in the long run. Now if we talk about the prices, compare prices from different manufacturer and retailer to find the best deal on a high quality portable shaft cutter. Now remember, Remember to research and read reviews from other users before making your final decision to ensure you invest in a reliable and efficient portable shaft cutters for your agriculture needs. Ladies and gentlemen, a shaft cutter and disc mill combined can be useful tool for farmers and agriculture workers as well, because this machine is combined with it can be used for shaft cutter at the same time can be used for a disc mill combined. Now this tool is for farmers and agriculture workers who want to efficiently process their grains and cereal crops. The use case for these combinations involve two primarily functions: separating chaff from grains and grinding the grains into desired consistency. Now, shaft cutting material. The shaft cutter separates the shaft dry outer overing of the grains from the grains during the threshing process. This is done by passing the harvested crop through a series of rotating teeth of blades that cut the chaff away from the grains as well. Now, if we talk about the chaff is then blown away by a fan or airflow system, leaving only the clean grains behind. Disc milling. After the chaff has been separated, the grains can be proceed further using a disc mill. A disc mill, also known as a grinder or a floor mill, consists of two or more circular discs with closely spaced grooves. As the grains are fed into the mill, the grooves on the disc crush and grain the grinds into desired consistency, such as coarse flour or fine flour, depending on your specific needs as well. Now, by combining a shaft cutter and disc mill, you can efficiently process your grains from the threshing stage to the desired consistency for further use, such as animal feed, human consumption, or other industrial applications as well. This productivity in agriculture settings. Now, yesterday we talked about a silage packing machine, also known as the silage press or silage wrapper, is a vital tool in rural areas, right? This is a silage packing machine made by Agro company. Now, here are the silage packing machines benefits: efficient storage. Silage packing machine help in compacting and sealing the silage, ensuring that it is sorted in a tight, airtight environment. This prevents oxygen from entering the silage, which would lead to spoilage and less of nutritional value. By using a silage packing machine, farmers can store large quantity of silage in a smaller space, making better use of available storage facilities as well. This can also reduce waste as well. How properly packed and sealed silage can last for several months without losing its nutritional value. This means that farmer can store surplus produce from one season to feed their livestock during the lean periods or when fresh fodder is scarce. Now, this reduces waste and ensure a consistent food supply for livestock, leading to better overall animal health and productivity as well. Now, improved animal nutrition. Well-preserved silage provides essential nutritional like proteins, carbohydrates as well, not only proteins, carbohydrates as well, vitamins and minerals required for optimal livestock growth as well. Now, it can not only work for optimal livestock growth but also can help in reproduction as well. Now, using a silage packing machine ensures that the nutritional value of the silage is maintained through the storage period, resulting in better animal performance and improved agriculture productivity in rural areas as well. Cost effective. Investing in a silage packing machine can help farmers save on feed cost in the long run. By preserving and utilizing surplus produce, they can reduce their reliance on purchased feed and concentrate, leading to cost saving and increased self sufficiency as well. There are many environmental benefits as well using this kind of a machine. If we talk about environmental benefits, properly stored silage reduce the need for chemical preservatives and minimize greenhouse gas emissions associated with spoilage. This contribute to a more sustainable agriculture practice in rural areas. In conclusion, the use of silage packing machine in rural areas can lead to more efficient storage, reduced waste, improved animal nutrition, cost savings, and environmental benefits as well. Bon Travil. Sorry, didn't get what you are trying to say, brother. Yesterday we have talked about this chaff cutters, isn't it? Let's talk about again and talk in a detail, so that if you had any question in your mind, you can ask anytime about its capacity, about its productivity, voltage, anything. This model is called 9ZR 3.2 or 9ZR 3.2G. If you removed its upper incline hopper, this model will be called 9ZR 3.2, but if you add an incline hopper, it will be called 9ZR 3.G. First of all, it's a stainless steel key parts and body. It's anti-rusty and more durable. Self-patent design ruler, it can get rid of soft grass or straw wrap. Specifically used for chopping all kinds of grain, hay, straw, potatoes, corn, maize into 1.5 centimeter to 3 centimeter pieces. Now, chopped forage is used for feeding cow, cattle, sheep, goats, pig, chicken, duck, etc. Now, 9ZR 3.2 is the first choice for dairy and livestock farming as well, because length of chopped forage can be controlled by shift the handle. The chop size is 1.5 to 3 centimeter. Now the size of chopped forage is uniformed, fit for feeding the livestock directly or keep as fodder for storage feeding as well. This model in front of you is what we call a 9ZR 3.2 or 9ZR 3.2G. First of all, if we talk about its productivity, how much it can produce a chaff or shredder for your animal in 1 hour. All the chaff cutter you are watching here, actually they are not similar in the capacities. First of all, if we talk about 9ZR 3.2 chaff cutter, capacity is 1200 to 3000 kilogram in 1 hour. In 1 hour, the capacity is 1200 to 3000 kilogram in 1 hour. Now, what kind of chopping material are suitable? All kinds of plant branches, fresh grass, rice and wheat straw, corn stalk. Number of blades, how many blades actually we are using in this model? 5 to 8 pieces. It can be used 5 pieces as well, it can be used 8 pieces as well, all depend upon your choice. What kind of chaff cutter do you want? If you need with 5 blades, you will get with 5 blades. If you need with 8 blades, you will get with 8 blades as well. Now, because we are talking about 9Z R3.2, powered required, if you are using electric motor, powered required will be 3.5 to 4 HP, which is 2.6 to 3 kilowatt per hour. But if you are using a gasoline engine, HP will be 7.5 HP if you are using a gasoline engine. Now, other thing is that voltage requirement is 220 voltage for this model 9ZR 3.2. Voltage requirement is 220 voltage. If we talk about a machine size, but in millimeter, length will be 1430 millimeter, width will be 960 millimeter, and height will be 690 millimeter if you don't include the square hopper, because in this model they had also provided a square hopper as well. So if you don't include the square hopper, the height will be 690 millimeter. If you talk about its weight is 65 kilogram without electric motor, because this model is has been provided with electric motor. As you can see that there is an electric motor as well. So if you don't involve electric motor weight, the weight will be 65 kilogram. As compared to the other model, this is a little bit heavier as compared to 9Z 1.0 or 9Z 1.5. The weight is a little bit more, which is 65 kilogram, but without including electric motor. If we talk about the spindle speed is 1400 RMP per minute. 1400 RMP per minute. Now, 9ZR 3.2 or 9ZR 3.G, same model, but if you removed its square hopper. What is square hopper? That is what we call the square hopper. If you remove that square hopper, then it will be 9ZR 3.2, but if you include a square hopper, that will be 9ZR 3.2G. Moving to the 9ZT 6.2, the latest model with the highest capacity right now, which is also available in stock. First of all, before showing you that model, I'm gonna tell you about its specification. Same as other chaff cutters, all the other chaff cutter made by the Agro company, used for chopping all kinds of plant branches, fresh grass, rice and wheat straw, corn stalk, etc. Chopped grass and pieces of plant branches used for feeding cow, sheep, pig, chicken, first choice for dairy and livestock farmers as well. Now, to give you a better angle, we should move a little bit as well. Cutting size can be adjusted according to shift handle, and where they had provided a shift handle, or you don't know where the shift handle is, I'm gonna take you to the shift handle. Sorry guys. Just like that. This is what we call a shift handle. With the help of the shift handle, actually, you can adjust the size of your shredder or your folder as well. Just like that. They had provided 3 sizes, if you can see that. Small, neutral and in large. This model is 9Z 1.0. If you can read it or not, I'm not sure. 9Z 1.0. This model has the capacity of 1000 kilogram in 1 hour. 1000 kilogram, and this is the the smallest model of chaff cutter in series of chaff cutter. This is the smallest model of chaff cutter in series of chaff cutter with the capacity of 1000 kilogram. As stream started, and I have told you like what I personally like about all the machines made by Dan Agro company is that they are portable first of all. Second of all, they can be work on electric motor as well. At the same time, they can also work on gasoline engine or diesel engine as well. Now let's talk about this model as well. This is also a Chaff cutter. Why we are doing a stream lot on a Chaff cutter? Because some people was saying that like why you are doing a live stream most of the time on rice mill machine. So let's talk about a Chaff cutter as well, because there are three major products of Dan Agro company. First of all, rice mill machine. Second of all, Chaff cutter, and third is all kind of disc mill machine, floor mill machine, wheat machine. I'm gonna bring you to them as well, so you had a better idea about all the machines made by Dan Agro company. This is what we call a floor mill series. As you can see that this is what we call the floor mill series. Here we also have a self-suction pulverizer as well with us. Here we have a smallest model as well, biggest model as well, with the low capacity as well, with the high capacity as well. All the models are made by Dan Agro company. This is a floor mill series, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's talk about each and every model in detail, then I'll give you a closer look as well. Those people who was asking personally about a banana trunk cutter, you might not be able to see a banana trunk cutter in a live studio, but if you want to place an order, of course you can place it, and that model is also available on our catalog as well. If you want to know about the capacity, if you want to know about the size as well, you can ask about that. Silage packing machine, we have already talked about it. Paddy thresher series, we have done a live stream as well. Yesterday I have told you about 5TY60 Pro as well and 5TY60, but today 9FQ2200. I'm gonna show you a disc mill machine, or you can say a floor mill machine, which is 9FQ2200. This is what we call a 9FQ2200, this model. Now the crushed material can be discharged directly from the grinding chamber. Particle size can be obtained by changing the pore size of screen as well. Crushed grain into core flour to be fed to livestock as well. Now, applications in many industries, including ethanol plants, grains, fruit juice production, milling grains, shredding yard, and garden waste for composition. High crushing rate and few powder leak from the machine. Can be operated on a household current as well. Easy to replace screen and other parts. Benefits for livestock farming, poultry farming, small scale farmers at the same time. Now let's move to the pulverizer grinding series, which can work on a gasoline engine as well and electric motor as well. This model. This model is what we call a pulverizer grinder series. The milled material can be discharged directly from the grinding chamber, crush grains into fine and even flour, making tofu. Applications in many industries, including ethanol plants, fruit juice production, milling crop. Now, the good thing is that about its capability and capacities, these small models. First of all, product name is grinder. What we named it 6FP180. What is capacity? 110 to 150 kilogram per hour. 110 to 150 kilogram per hour, suitable for grinding fresh corn, maize, soya beans, fruit juice, chili, pasta as well. Now number of grinders which we are using in that models are 2 pieces. Power required, if you are using electric motor, power required will be 2.5 HP. If you are using a gasoline engine, power required will be 7.5 HP. Power won't be similar for the both model. If you are using electric motor, power will be 2.5 HP. If you are using gasoline engine, just like in that model, we are using gasoline engine, HP will be 7.5. Voltage requirement will be 220 voltage. Weight is only 19.5 kilogram. 19.5 kilogram without gasoline engine, without electric motor as well. If we talk about its electricity consumption will be 1.5 kilowatt per hour. 1.5 kilowatt per hour electricity consumption will be. Now those people actually who don't know about the other models of disc mill machine, or you can say a floor mill machine, I'm gonna tell you about this model as well. This is what we call the SS9FC 2023, 9FC 2023. Okay, simple model, right? Simple, easy to operate and clean, good in crusher effect. The crushed material can be discharged directly from the grinding chamber. Particle size can be obtained by changing the pore size of screen. Suitable for wheat, maize, soya beans, pea, coffee beans, paddy, rice, dry masala, turmeric, dry chili, white and black pepper, fish moons as well. Now, the fine and even powder can reach to 100 mesh. High crushing rate and few powder leaks from machine. Can be used on domestic electricity supply and consume less electricity as well. Easy to replace screens, spare parts and accessories as well. Now, benefits for farmers, residential usage, NGOs, self-help groups and small-scale business as well. Now let's talk about its specification. As I told you, model name is 9FC 2023, suitable for crushing. Production capacity, if you are using wheat, then 40 kilogram per hour. But if you are using other material, then 250 kilogram per hour. Like a production, or you can say that capacity will not be similar for different kind of a material. If you are using for wheat, production will be 40 kilogram, but if you are using other material, the production will be 250 kilogram per hour. Number of teeth, T-tooth 4 pieces, square teeth 6 pieces. Power required is 2.2 kilowatt. Power required is 2.2 kilowatt. Voltage requirement is 220 voltage, but spindle speed will be 4500 to 5000 RMP per minute. Why? Because size is so small. Net weight is 20 kilogram. But if we talk about the electricity consumption will be 8 kilowatt per hour. All the details, all the capacities have been mentioned. They are for hours. So electricity consumption will be 8 kilowatt per hour. Now there are other interesting models as well. Let's see what we get here. And 2018X. This is also a rice mill machine. 6 and 2018X. Yesterday I have told you about that. Now this is a rice area. This model is actually easy to operate. Anyone can operate this model. It is 100% safety other than regular huller machines. Converts paddy into semi-polished rice, raw and parboiled. High milling rate over 70% and low breakage of rice. Can be used on domestic electric supply and consume less electricity. Now rice screen and ruler is durable, 5 to 10 times use life than others. Suitable for residential usage, NGOs, self-help groups and small-scale business can benefit for small-scale farmers as well. Now, if we talk about its specification, 6 and 2018X rice mill machine, or you can call it a butterfly rice mill machine. We also named that model butterfly rice mill machine. This model, which can work on a gasoline engine, because in this model they had provided a gasoline engine. Now let's talk about production. If you are using a rice, production will be 165 to 200 kilogram per hour. But if you are using rice, production will be 165 to 200 kilogram per hour. But if you are using a millet, for millet production will be 120 to 150 kilogram per hour. This butterfly 6 and 2018, or you can call it a butterfly, this model has the production of 165 to 200 kilogram per hour for a rice. But if you are using a millet, then production will be 120 to 150 kilogram per hour. Both production capacities will not be similar. Now power required is electric. If you are using electric motor, power required will be 2.5 HP. And if you are using a gasoline engine, then power required will be 7.5 HP. 7.5 HP. But if you are using a gasoline engine, power will be 7. But if you are using electric motor, because this model can also work on electric motor. Right now you can see, you might can see a diesel engine, gasoline engine, but this model actually can also work on, can it work on a maize floor? No, it can't work. It can. For a maize floor, actually we had provided these all models. They are actually working on a maize. This model in front of me is the same as one I bought. Oh, you have already bought it. Good to hear that, sir. Good to hear that. This model 6 and 2018X, this is actually, we named it a butterfly. If we talk about its weight is 24 kilogram without electric motor or without gasoline engine. That means it can work on a gasoline engine as well. At the same time, it can work on electric motor as well. Stainless steel rice mill machine. If you are using the other models as well, but we also have a rice mill machine, sorry to hear that, which is not available with us right now. We named it India 6 and 45 rice mill. This is also a rice mill machine. In this live studio we don't have that rice mill machine, but that model is actually 6 and 45. This is the previous model. Now we have upgraded many models, so maybe that's why this model is not available in live studio and I am unable to show you that. But we have many other models like this combined rice mill machine. If you have seen yesterday live stream, you might know that this model is also called 6 and 2023 9FC21. Why I am calling it a combined rice mill machine? Because this model can work for a rice and crushing material as well. Why? Because this is a combined rice mill machine. This is a combined rice mill machine. New separator ventilation, regulation with double inserts as well, regulating bearing body, adjustable flow with butter nozzle, converts paddy into semi-polished rice, raw and parboiled, both raw and parboiled. Wear resistance alloy, rice roller, high output capacity and high quality as well. If we talk about the product name, we named it a rice mill machine R6 and 2023 9FC21, or you can call it a combined rice mill machine, whatever you want to call it. If we talk about its capacity, if you are using for a disc mill machine, this portion is for a disc mill machine. For disc mill machine, capacity will be 250 kilogram in 1 hour. For a disc mill machine. Malaysia Post, okay. For a rice mill machine, the capacity will be 300 kilogram in 1 hour. So for a rice and for a disc mill machine, capacities are not similar. For a disc mill machine, capacity will be 250. Now what is disc mill machine? Like if you want to crush some kind of a material, ladies and gentlemen, then you can use this portion, that one, on the left side actually, where you can see a 2 incline hopper. This portion is actually used for crushing all kind of a material. But if you look on the right side, this portion is used for a rice mill machine. And that's why we named that model a combined rice mill machine. Whenever during a live stream I use a word combined, mean this machine can work on a gasoline engine as can work for a rice mill machine as well, but at the same time this model can work on for crushing all kind of a material as well. So the capacity will be 250 kilogram if you want to crush all kind of a material or you want to grind all kind of a material. But if you want to process only your rice, then capacity will be 300 kilogram in 1 hour. This is also a rice mill machine, but what make its look durable as compared to 9FC21SS? There is only one slight difference. Actually not one, there are two slight difference. First one is they had provided a gasoline engine in that model, as you can see that. In 9FC21SS, they have provided electric motor. That doesn't mean that like this model cannot work on electric motor. Of course, it can work on electric motor, but this model looks and are more suitable if you are using a gasoline engine, right? But at the same time, they had provided just similar model, which is 9FC21SS, which can work on electric motor as well. Both model are quite interesting. Both have a unique qualities. This model is mostly made by a carbon material instead of a stainless steel, because 9FC21SS, you have seen its video as well, most of the body is made by stainless steel. There are only these two slight different which make them different from each other. Now this model is also portable. You might not be able to see a universal tire, but when you're gonna buy it, you can ask for a tire as well if you want to port this machine, if you want to carry this machine from one place to another place. Of course you can use universal tire as well. Now let's move to 9FC21SS, which I have told you about. This model is quite similar to the model we have just done a stream. Many people favorite model 9FC21SS. Capacity is productivity is 250 to 300 kilogram. I am not sure that I should show you that, because you might have seen it many times on live stream. Sorry, not live stream, on videos which we have uploaded on different channel, right? But this model is what we call 9FC21SS. This portion is what we named it a butter nozzle. Now what is the use case of this butter nozzle? This butter nozzle, when you're gonna provide a lubricants to your machine and bearing gonna start work in a proper way, production will be increased. let's suppose they have write 250 kilogram to 300 kilogram in 1 hour, but if you are providing a good lubricants to your machine, the production can be increased and it can be vary from 250 to 260 70 kilogram. The other reason is that to improve your productivity, if you are using this kind of agriculture machinery, is that, you know, in disc mill machine actually they are using different kind of screens, right? So if you want to improve their productivity, make sure that after using it, clean their screens. If you're gonna change their screens as well, clean their screens as well, provide them a good lubricants as well. At the same time, all the material you are putting inside the incline hopper, this is what we call the incline hopper SS. As you know that this machine is 9FC21SS, so one S stand for this incline hopper and one stands inclined for this hopper, just to keep an idea about that model, you know. Actually they had provided a 3 incline hopper. Lower incline hopper can be used for all kind of spices. If you want to grind different kind of spices, lower incline hopper can be used to grind different kind of spices as well. This model is actually portable as well. You can carry that model from one place to another because they had provided a universal wheel in that model. It can work on electric motor and gasoline engine as well, but if you want to buy this model with a gasoline engine, why you gonna choose that model instead of that model? That model we have just done a streaming on that model, right? You can choose that model as well. But this is what we call a 9FC21SS. Let's talk about it. Capacities, productivity, voltage, everything. 9FC21SS. Just stay with me. With the latest design, the rice machine head and the floor machine head are made of stainless steel, making them more robust and durable. First. Second, 20 positions for more precise adjustment of the rice milling pressure, suitable for all type of rice. The sieve in the pulverizer section are made of stainless steel, making it more durable and less prone to damage. Rice mill combined with disc mill crusher can remove paddy husk, whitening rice, crush rice bran at one time. With alloy steel roller that the rice has low breakage after process, suitable for residential usage, NGOs, self-help groups and small-scale business can benefit for small-scale farmers as well. Now, if we talk about model number 6N 2021 9FC21 SS, actually function for a rice mill machine, production will be 165 to 200 kilogram, but for a rice, and for a disc mill machine, production will be 180 to 250 to 300 kilogram. Power required is 3 HP. Weight is 42 kilogram, not including motor, and spindle movement is 1400 to 1600 RMP. MZ Uzail have provided number. Paresh Chandra Mundal price. Praise rice mill or delivery. Those people actually who are interested, please add our WhatsApp number for a price related information, +861529801111. This is a WhatsApp number, also a WeChat number. Please note it down, +86. I am interested. If you are interested, please send us a message on a WhatsApp number and on WeChat number as well. Actually, on YouTube and TikTok, I really don't know how to put a number, but you can add as well. It's +86 15 29 80 11 211. This is also a WhatsApp number and WeChat number as well. If you are interested regarding these agriculture machine, please add WhatsApp number. Because this model also include a disc mill area. So a disc mill machine, also known as a disc pulverizer or the hammer mill, is primarily used for grinding and crushing various material in industrial and agriculture applications. Although it may not be directly used in daily life by individuals, its applications are essential in several sectors that contribute to our daily needs and health. First of all, agriculture. Disc mill machines are used to grind grains, leek, and other agriculture products into smaller particles for animal feed production as well. This process ensures better digestibility and nutrients absorption for livestock, contributing to the overall food supply chain as well. Food processing. Disc mill can be employed in the food industry for grinding spices, herbs, and other ingredients to create a uniform texture and flavor in various food products. This ensures better quality and consistency in our daily meals. Pharmaceuticals. The disc mill is used in the pharmaceutical industry as well to grind raw material and produce uniform size particle for the production of medicine. This help ensure accurate dosing and consistent efficiency of medications as well. Now, chemical industry, how these disc mill machine can also be helpful for chemical industry. Disc mill machines are used to grind and pulverize various chemical compounds which are essential in the production of several products we use daily, such as detergents, paints, and plastics. Recycling. Disc mill can be employed in recycling process to break down and reduce the size of various material such as plastic, metal, and glass, which adds in the creation of new products and reduce waste as well. The disc mill machines may not be directly used in daily life. It plays a crucial role in various industries that contribute to our daily needs and comfort. It helps ensure a stable food supply, contribute to the production of essential goods, and promotes recycling and waste reduction. Using a disc mill machine in rural areas and make can bring several benefits, particularly in terms of agriculture, food processing, and local business development. Now, here are some of advantages as well. Agriculture productivity. Disc mill machines can help grind grains, lean, and other agriculture products more efficiently. First of all, this allows farmers in rural areas to produce higher quality animal feed, which can lead to increased livestock productivity and better overall agriculture products as well. How they can improve food processing actually in rural areas and local market. Disc mill machines can be used to grind spices, herbs, and other ingredients for various food products. This can result in better quality, more consistent food items that are safe for consumption, contributing to a healthier local community as well. Job creation and economic growth. The use of disc mill machines in rural areas and markets can create jobs in operation, maintenance, and sales of machines, as well as jobs in related industries such as animal feed production and food processing as well. This can help to increase economic growth and improve the living standard in these areas. Reduce reliance on external resources. Disc mill machines can help rural areas become more self sufficient in terms of food processing and animal feed production. This reduces the needs to import these products from other regions, which can be costly and less reliable. Encouraging local entrepreneurs. Disc mill machines can be used by local entrepreneurs to set up small scale feed processing units or animal feed production facilities. This can lead to development of new business and a more diverse local economy as well. Waste reduction and resource efficiency. Disc mill machines can be used to grind and recycle agriculture waste such as husk and stalk into useful product like compost or biofuel. This help reduce waste and promotes more efficient use of resources in rural areas. In conclusion, the use of disc mill machine in rural areas and markets can contribute to improved agriculture productivity, food processing, job creation, and local entrepreneurship. Additionally, it can lead to reduced reliance on external resources, waste reduction, and more efficient use of resources. Because we are talking about rice mill machines, disc mill machines as well, why don't we just give a small hint and tips about chaff cutters as well. First of all, chaff cutter, also known as straw choppers or straw cutters, are essential in agriculture process, particularly during harvesting and post harvesting operation. Their primary use case is to separate the chaff, the dry indigestible part of the plant, from the grain or other valuable crop components. Here are some of the essential use case of chaff cutters as well, which are hay and silage production, grain harvesting, biomass and bioenergy production, composting chaff cutters, mulching. First of all, grain harvesting. Chaff cutters are crucial during the grain harvesting process as they help separate the grain from the stalk and other plant material. This ensures that the grain is not contaminated by the chaff, making it easier to clean and process for human or animal consumption. Hay and silage production. Chaff cutters play a vital role in producing hay and silage, which are essential feed sources for livestock. By cutting the straw into smaller pieces, the chaff cutter allows for better packing and preservation of the hay or silage, ensuring that the nutrients are retained and easily accessible to animals. Biomass and bioenergy production. Chaff cutters can be used to process agriculture residue such as straw, stalks, and other plant material into smaller pieces for use in the biomass and bioenergy production as well. This helps in converting agriculture waste into valuable energy source, promoting sustainability and reducing reliance on fossil fuels as well. Ladies and gentlemen, all those people who are looking for Dan Agro made machines, if you have a importer, if you have a shipping agent in China, you can buy directly from Dan Agro company. But if you don't have a shipping agent in China, you can buy these kind of products in your own country. But if you have your local dealer number, then other thing is that if you are an importer and you are already doing a business in agriculture industry, you are most welcome to contact us. Why? Because Dan Agro is a manufacturer company and we are seeking for the partners all around the world. Now, other thing is that where are we located? We are a manufacturer company which is located in China. Which province? Sichuan province. Which city? Leshan city, Jingyan County area. We are making all kinds of agriculture machinery, including rice mill machine, combined rice mill machine, disc mill machine, chaff cutter, paddy thresher, cone thresher, multiple crop threshers, and many more. Now, we also have a silage packing machine. We have done a stream as well. We had different kind of chaff cutter with lowest capacity and with the highest capacity as well. Those people who want to import this kind of agriculture machinery, make sure to add our WhatsApp number, which is +861529801111. This is also the WhatsApp number. This is also the WeChat number. You can add and you can contact us on WhatsApp. If anybody have any question now, please let me know in the comment section so that we can answer your question right now. But all those people who want to import this kind of agriculture machinery, or you are an importer and you are watching my live stream, make sure to add our WhatsApp number and get into this business. Now there are many people who watched my live stream actually, and they are watching my live stream from the place where they don't have any local dealer, or the people who are already importing this kind of agriculture machinery. So why don't you be the first person and import this kind of agriculture machinery? You can also help your farmers friend family, and at the same time you can earn some money as well. These are agriculture machinery. Time has been passing. It's a revolutionary area. We have to adopt few new technologies, and we have to quit old kind of machinery, such as rice mill machine, old kind of a huller, and old kind of a toka system or shaft cutter. We have to adopt new technologies as well. And Don Agro is offering you a partnership all around the world. If you are an importer, or if you are already in this business of buying this kind of agriculture machinery, you are most welcome to add our WhatsApp number and we can talk about the business. It's +861529801111. You can also leave your WhatsApp number or WeChat number after live stream and we can talk about that. But those people who don't have any idea about what kind of machinery Don Agro is making, you can also, when you're gonna add our WhatsApp number, you can ask for a catalog. On catalog you will be able to see each and every model of which is Don Agro has made from past few years, and you can select, you can pick the required model you are looking for. This is the best solution. Ask for a catalog. On catalog we had mentioned each and every products, and we have also mentioned their specification, their capacities, their voltage requirement, their weight, their length, width, height, everything. Now if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I am all eyes, ears, your Martin Azad. It's good. Machinery or the live stream, brother? Which one is good, machinery or the live stream? Weather has been changing and it's a little bit cold still here. How's the weather in your country? It's cold, it's hot, it's normal? Those lucky people who might watching our live stream from the beach area, especially this Thailand guy, you guys are so lucky to have a nice weather. Also Malaysian guys, but here it's a cold, bro. Anybody have any question, please let us know in the comment section. How much is the rice processing machine? Different machines have different kind of prices. Different machines at different kind of prices. Few machines can work on electric motor, at the same time can work on a gasoline engine, but the problem is that like we have a latest models as well in all aspects, like in shaft cutter, in disc mill machine, in rice mill machine as well, which can work on electric motor but also can work on a diesel engine as well rather than gasoline engine. Why using diesel engine? Because of a low fuel consumptions. But some people, not some people actually, mostly people prefer electric motor as compared to diesel engine, because they get irritated about the noise which diesel engine make when we start electric machines, not motor. My bad. Is there anybody who had any kind of question? Please let us know in the comment section. uh, uh, TikTok brothers and sisters and all the family members who are watching our live stream. I'm extremely sorry, but I don't know how to mention our WhatsApp number, so I can just say and you can write it down. Or you can mention your WhatsApp number on a live stream and we can add your WhatsApp number after live stream, and it's +86152980111211. This is a WhatsApp number, also a WeChat number. Be our guest to contact us on WhatsApp or WeChat. We also had our another number which is +86191813600623. Which number you wanna add, you can add. You can talk to other salesperson as well. I am here to help you. I am here to let you buy this kind of agriculture machinery, and I will try my best to give you the best quality product which is made by Adan Agro company. And this is also the reason to doing a live stream, to let our audience, our people know that what kind of machinery actually Adan Agro is making. Does anybody have any question? Instead of price, please don't ask a price related question, because we are not allowed to tell about the price. I am here to do a live stream to let you know about these machinery, their specification, their working, their benefits, conclusion, advantages. But as it's a machinery, there might be few advantages, but I haven't seen any of them yet. Okay guys, this is it. See you tomorrow, and we will start just from here.